My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and we're going to walk through a 2023 WorldCat 230 dual console. This particular boat has a custom Magic Tilt trailer with it. There's an ice blue hull with the white bottom. Heading back to the transom, it's powered by twin 115 Mercuries. And then stepping up, obviously we have this ladder here, but kind of hard to tell. There's an extremely wide and easy access boarding ladder for this boat, and it just flips right up, and then there's two magnets on each side, so it holds it in place. It makes it really easy for getting on and off these dual consoles. Stepping on, you can see nice full beam top, and rod holders on each side. And then in the center that I just walked over, livewell, bait well. And then underneath each seat, slide it out, is a fish box cooler. It uses fish box for a cooler, it's insulated. And again, it's on both sides. On the starboard side, behind the helm seat, we have tackle storage. And then on the port side, flip up seat with storage on either side. And this is kind of a cool feature. When you step down on that metal piece, this seat back can go all the way back or stop halfway to make it more of a lounge. Coming in, still on the port side. Nice, easy access to the head. It's a vacuum flush head, and plenty of space when you get down below. Turn over to the helm, adjustable helm seat, the flip-up bolster. Then you have your controls, Mercury engine information, JL audio system, and then Garmin GPS navigation. Shows your depth as well. Fish finder, and then all of your switching, and then VHF radio. Head up to the center, easy access to pretty deep storage. See, there's some stuff in there now, but plenty of room for life jackets, bags you bring along, fenders, lines. Up in the bow, there's the way it's set up right now, there's a nice sun pad, so this fills in this entire space. And what's nice about this boat in particular is that it's extremely wide throughout the entire length of the boat. So the beam almost carries itself all the way to the bow. So plenty of seating up in the bow, a deep storage on each side. So it really makes it comfortable to sit up here. And then directly above that, you see there's anchor locker, and then for your anchor. Again, my name is Eric. If you have any questions about this boat or would like to come set up a tour, please do not hesitate to reach out.